Vande Mataram students. Today we will learn about profit and loss. Let me explain these terms through an example. Now let us start. I went to bookshop. I saw many books over there. I like one craft book. So I bought that craft book from the shopkeeper at rupees 300. Well, this 300 is buying price. I bought means this is the buying price of the book. You can say I costed rupees 300 for that book. Means this bought, buying price and costed price is nothing but the cost price of that book. Now I decided that I will give the same book to my friend. So I sold the book to my friend in rupees 350. Now here sold is nothing but the selling price of the book. I purchased the book, I bought the book from the shopkeeper and I sell it to the friend in 350 rupees. Now see students, selling price and cost price. Rather than every time writing cost price and selling price, we will write CP for cost price and SP for the selling price. Now here you can see that the selling price is greater than the cost price. If selling price is greater than the cost price, that becomes a profit. Now I sold it in 350 rupees and the cost price of the same book was 300. When we subtract it, I got 50 rupees. That means I gained rupees 50 on the sale. So here rupees 50 is nothing but my profit. Next day, again I went to market. I bought craft book from the shopkeeper at rupees 300 each. Well, 300 again I bought means it's a buying price, it's a cost price. The cost price of the book is 300. But later on I found that the craft book got spoiled. So I sold that book to my friend at the lower price. The lower price rupees 280. I sold it. Sold means here is the selling price. The selling price of the book is 280. Now when here you can see that cost price is greater than selling price. Means here is the loss. Loss is nothing but the difference between cost price and selling price. Now the cost price is 300 and selling price is 280. When we subtract this, it becomes rupees 20. Now here I lost rupees 20 on the sale. So 20 is my loss. Now let's see an example. Example 1. Ram is a fruit seller. He bought a box of oranges at rupees 150 per box. He sold the oranges at rupees 200 per box. Find his profit or loss per box. Now here Ram bought a box of oranges at rupees 150. He bought means his buying price, or you can say the cost price of a box of oranges rupees 150. Now he sold that box at rupees 200. Sold, here sold is the selling price of Ram. So we can write here the CP for a box of oranges is rupees 150. Now selling price of the box of oranges is rupees 200. You can see here the selling price is greater than the cost price. Selling price is greater than the cost price means here is a profit. So we know that profit is nothing but the difference between selling price and the cost price. Now we can subtract here. Selling price is rupees 200 minus cost price rupees 150. We'll get rupees 50. Now here Ram made a profit of rupees 50 on each box. Now let's see another example. Example number 2. The next day also Ram bought oranges at rupees 150 per box, but the oranges got damaged, so he had to sell them at rupees 110 per box. Find his profit or loss per box. Now students, Ram bought oranges. Now bought is nothing but the buying price, or you can say the cost price of oranges, that rupees 150 per box. Now due to the damage, he had to sell them. Sale means selling price. The selling price of oranges is rupees 110. Now we will write here the statements that cost price of a box of oranges rupees 150 and selling price for a box of orange, that is rupees 110. Now you can see here cost price is greater than SP, selling price. So there is loss. Loss is nothing but the difference between cost price and selling price. So we will write loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now what is CP? CP is rupees 150 minus selling price rupees 110, that is equal to rupees 40. Now this rupees 40 is nothing but the loss, that Ram had a loss of rupees 40 on each box. Do you understand profit and loss, students? Now let's try this. I bought a bottle for rupees 100 and I sold this to my friend for rupees 120. Did I make profit or loss?
Selling price is greater than cost price. You made a profit.
Very good. Can you tell me how much profit I made?
Profit is the difference between selling price and cost price. So here profit is equals to rupees 120 minus rupees 100. So you made a profit of rupees 20.
Thank you.